Well, hello everyone, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stampin', and today I am going to show you what I've done next on the My Fairy Daybook journal. Got my wax thread here. We'll probably sew in this signature. I'll show you how I do it. Lots of people do it, and there's lots of different ways to do it, so I'll show you what I do. For what that's worth, right? Okay, so I have my signature in here. We made the signatures in the last video. Let's see, I did put some reinforcing. I used washi tape. I did use glue on the washi tape. Otherwise it doesn't stay down. Washi tape is a low tack tape. I still have to cover this one. And let's see, did I put anything in here? I don't think that one needed it. Nope. And what about on this side? Nope. Okay, so I've got all my signatures. I might do one more signature here because there's definitely room for it. We have this signature here. I won't sew this one in, but I'll show you what I did. So I've got everything ready, and I think we did that in the last one, and then I just attach a large paper clip to one side, because I found if you do it on both sides, when you bend it back and forth, it comes out, so you don't get the you know, where it's really nice and close together. So I've done that here. I might need to take this one out so I can get to that. So I've got that there, and then I just attach paper clips on either side and get it pushed in as much as I can. I don't measure. Let me get my, I use my, I don't even know, I've had this since the very beginning. It came in a little case that had a bunch of stuff with it. I don't even remember what it had with it, but it's a long paper piercer and it's metal. So I really like that. So what I do, I have my long needle. I do the length. And I'll do that times 3. Some people do 1.5. I always do a little bit extra because I like to leave tails just in case I want to put dangles down below, or use this like a, you know, pull it up and use it like a bookmark. Okay, so let me thread my needle here. Get this all ready. This is the wax thread. I get it on Amazon. If you'd like me to leave a link, I can do that for you. I haven't done an Amazon link before. Stick that down in there so I know where it is. Okay, so I've got that pushed in. I've got my paper clips on there. I'm just going to bring this to the side. See, maybe I'll put this under here so it'll hold that up a little bit more. I just kind of eyeball the center and I'll poke that through, and it usually comes out right in the edge of the binding when I do that. Okay, and then instead of doing it apart, I put my needle right in because that's just the way I do it. It keeps it from having to figure out where all the edges are. Just easier on my part. So I go probably about 3/4 of the way up, and I'll put another hole because I like to put my and that should have come out in the center, which it did. Okay, so now I should be able to go right in it. Just makes it easier for me. Which one of these is the, there we go. And then I'll do it about the same, so I could see, you know, go about there. I'm doing this off to the side, so I have no idea if it's on the right area or not. Now I'll go back through that. And I know some people have to fight all the time with their papers and their holes and all that stuff. So now what we're going to do is just kind of take this back through, and everything should go right in again. So, and geez, that even worked out. So you want to have one string on one side of the line and another string on the other, which we do. Sorry about my bracelet again. Let's see which. There we go. Stick that in there for now so I know where it is. I'm going to put this in there so it doesn't roll around. Okay, so then I just bring this, and I want it tight, but not too tight. I just don't want any loose threads on the back side. Okay. So I'm going to make a knot and tie it again. There. And now I have plenty of room, you know, you can see I have plenty of. So if I want to go over a page and mark a page in there, I can, or just hang it down. That's what I do. Then I can take all this off, and my signature is in there. Okay, so there we go. Now we have one signature in. And I will repeat that on all the rest. I still have to cover this part, so I'll probably do that in the next video. But I'll get all these signatures in because I think those are all ready to go. Okay, so there you have it. That should be a nice short video. I will leave a card up here on the playlist, so start to finish of what we've done. And be sure to like and subscribe. And at the end, I'll put some videos over here that you might be interested in. All right, thanks for watching. If you want a longer video, if you like, will you comment for me and let me know if you like the longer videos or the shorter videos? I'm happy to do either or. Sometimes what I think is going to be short and sweet ends up being way long. All right, so again, like and subscribe. I'll put some videos over here that you might be interested in, and go create something fun. Thanks for watching.